What is up, y'all? Welcome back to the vlog. These messages. Welcome back to the vlog. I know I've been uploading in a while, and that's because if you can tell by the title of this video, I'm going to San Diego in the morning, and I didn't want to tell anybody, so I wanted to be surprised for my people in San Diego. So, or some people know I'm coming. A couple people know, some people don't. But yeah, I'm coming back and dropping the car off at the paint shop later today. But right now I gotta go to the store because I need to get some things, because you guys know I'm vegan, right? If you guys don't know, now you know I'm vegan. So on the plane flight, there really isn't too many vegan options. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to the store, I'm gonna get some stuff to make so I can eat on the plane. Because normally I fast and things like that, but I mean, it's a long flight. The last time I did that, when I landed, it was a while before I ate. So this time, I'm gonna fucking, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna go get some shit to make meal prep, basically. Take it on the flight with me. And if I like this meal prep stuff, maybe I'll continue to do it with my workouts and stuff. I don't know. I just like eating fresh stuff. I'm just gonna keep it 100 with you. But right now, I'm gonna head out to the store. I'm gonna get what I need, and I'm also gonna show you guys what's gonna be getting done at the paint shop. So I'll see you in a sec, I guess. So originally I had went to the marina, but it's not over there. So I guess we're gonna do this at the Town, and we got Araha Beach in the background, man. That place is beautiful, you can see it. Anyway, get down to this thing. So when I drop this thing off at paint, one of the things we're gonna be getting fixed is this door doesn't match the rest of the paint of the car, and the side skirt down here, you can see, has a couple of chips on it. Definitely want to get that fixed. So that's getting fixed. I'm getting these mirrors repainted because the mirrors, I don't know if you can see it right. This right here, that's like all rough. So they're pulling the mirrors off, they're gonna repaint the mirrors. I have a couple little places on the roof that I want to get touched up. Can it focus on it? Can it focus? Anyway, it's just right there. There's like a little paint chip. And then we're getting all this touched up around the gas cap, inside of it. I'm getting this little crack in the wing fixed. What else? There's another little spot right here, a little rust spot. I'm getting that fixed. I'm gonna get this fixed. This little chip right here too. And the biggest thing I gotta get fixed is the trunk, or inside the trunk. Let me open it up for you real quick. Don't mind my car's dirty as hell. Inside here, I'm getting all this fixed, all the rust, getting all that taken out, and I'm getting the trunk resealed because recently it started leaking water again. Maybe about, I say a month ago, it started leaking water again, so I'm gonna get all that fixed. They're gonna take the trunk off, and they're gonna basically redo all this stuff. I'll get a new wiper blade too. This thing, I don't even use the real wiper blade anyway, but yeah, so that's what's gonna be getting done in the car. When I get it back, I'll be showing you all how good it looks because they always do a good job. And that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna run inside and get these groceries, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. Headed to the paint shop right now. Get this thing dropped off. Secret location, so you guys won't see it. Light turn green though. Love the way this car sounds, man. 2 of this vlog. I didn't show me dropping off the car at the paint shop because that's like normal type shit, so I didn't really need to show that on camera. Yeah, so I'm all packed up, just waiting for the homie to get here. And the reason I'm doing this because I want to start doing more travel vlogs. So this is like my test run. So I'm testing this thing out. I'm seeing how this goes. So I want to give you guys more content beyond cars too. So I think that'd be pretty dope. There's a lot of places I can travel around here, and I'm gonna start doing that after I come back from San Diego. But we got the mill pepper already. I'll show you guys real quick. I know you look at my face right now, but that'll be alright. Oh, look at that. Woo! Get the soy chunk seasoned up. Got the potatoes, scrambled tofu ×2. So, yeah, I'm gonna pack these up in the back here in a second. I just want to say thank y'all for liking my content, watching so far, and I'll see you guys at some point, I don't know when, again in this vlog. Just made it to the airport, the security. Now we're going to our gate. To Tokyo, had a nice nap on the flight, and now we gotta go to the international terminal, get settled over there. I actually have to take a bus to the where the international flights take off from, so got this long ass walk. As you can tell, we made it back. Got the rental, Nissan Versa. And we back in San Diego. I got off the plane and I was expecting like humidity. I don't even need this AC really. Let me go ahead and shut that off. Yeah, we got off the plane expecting like that Okinawa humidity, but nah man, it was cool. We do gotta make a pit stop before I head to the crib. It's kind of weird to be back, to be honest. Driving on like on the left side. Make sure I don't fuck this up. Like, are you going the wrong way, dog? Like, fuck, man, I just been in Japan. Forgive me. They should see what I'm whipping out there too, man. Got that big legendary whip. Got this legendary rental car right now too, man. See, I remember my way around here, man, so I need to go to the store, so I need to go that way. Let's not run the stop sign. Oh, thank you, my man, the bus. Champagne. Shout out tall guy. Let's see, I want to go. Oh, that's not what I want to do. See, I'm already fucking up. But out here, you can turn right on red lights. All right, so after I came out of Verizon, I totally like left my camera in the trunk, but it's all good. Went to Whole Foods, got some grub. And I gotta say, I can't wait to have my GTR here. I think it's gonna be sick. Oh, I won't be driving it here to the grocery store, but just having to cruise around in would be pretty dope. I think everybody will be trying to race me. Panamera hybrid right there. It's pretty clean. Alright. Head to the crib now. Alright, so my parrot has not seen me in quite some time. So I'm gonna get his reaction. Who's that? Hi, Cloudy. Hi, Cloudy. Hi. Why are you being shy? I'll put the camera down for a second. You know why, Cloudy? Hi, Cloudy. You want to say hi to YouTube, Cloudy? Want to say hi? Give me a kiss. Bye. Bye. Give me a high, Cloudy. Bye. You just want kisses, huh? Yeah? Did you miss me, Cloudy? Did you miss me? Yeah? Did you miss me, Cloudy? Are you gonna be scared of the camera? Huh? You did miss me. See, animals have feelings. Don't fucking eat them. Go back. Bye. Cloudy, no, not there. Go. 5. 5. Yeah, thank you, Cloudy. Did you miss me, buddy? He's afraid of the camera, y'all. But I got me on YouTube, you know what I'm saying? I'm about to be a big ass star out here, bro. Man, speaking that shit to the universe right now. We got you on, how many on the 61? Let's see how much Claude wants this chip. Cloudy, up. Up, Cloudy. Up, up. He's terrified of this camera. Up, up. Up, up. Up, up. Up, up. Up, up. Come on. Up, up. He's trying to figure out how to get to the chip without getting to the camera. Up, up. Up, up. Come on. Let me set the camera down back here and see if he comes to me for the chip. Up, up, buddy. Up. Come on. Give me this shit, bro. Come on. It's all yours. Up, up. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about, bro. And then get this video uploaded. And if you guys like the content, like, comment, subscribe. So bye, Cloud. I like to chase them like this.